Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be fine. Here is how you can still play PUBG while in Pakistan. It is no secret by now that PUBG has been banned all over Pakistan due to numerous cases reported against the video game. However, this is not stopping fans from playing the game, and they are finding different ways to avoid that ban. As we all know, nothing can truly be banned from the internet, as people will always find a solution. In PUBG case, people are using VPNs to bypass the ban. This does increase the ping, delay or latency compared to what players would normally get, but it is still playable nonetheless. Normally, VPNs are not that good for gaming, but after some testing, we have found the one that gives the best results. Here is a quick guide for how you can use VPN to play the game. VPN Master. VPN Master is able to provide the best results for online gaming, while others can also ensure low ping. VPN Master is completely free, allows unlimited data, and has a variety of regions you can choose from. Simply download the app from Google Play Store to get started. Unfortunately, this VPN app does not exist on the iOS App Store, so iPhone users are going to need to use something else. We do have an alternative that people can use on iOS as well. Once you have VPN Master downloaded, you can select between different regions. Selecting Singapore will usually result in the lowest ping, but you can also select European countries to get between 150 ms to 170 minutes ping. Don't bother trying India or American regions, as this causes higher ping, which makes the experience less than ideal. Now start the game and select the respective region in the game. For instance, if you choose a European country in your VPN, then select Europe in the game as well for the best result. Asia if you choose Singapore. As mentioned before, this will get you between 100 minutes to 160 minutes based on your chosen region. Melon VPN is a solid alternative that can bring the same result as VPN Master, and is available on the iOS App Store as well. The UI works and looks exactly the same as VPN Master too. Make sure to select the right region mentioned earlier in the app and in game as well to get the lowest ping. In any case, let's hope that players don't have to put up with this for too long. PTA is scheduled to announce its final decision soon, and that will ultimately decide the fate of the game. Fingers crossed. So, in this video, this is the message how you can play PUBG game after that ban, how you can use and download VPNs in your mobile phone, how iPhone users use VPN to play PUBG game. Hope you will like today's message. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.